y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Angelique, also known as Nina Marie. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Make sure that you subscribe and that you hit the notification bell. If you are not new here, welcome back. Y'all don't mind my attire. I'm just trying to show y'all what the carpet looks like and of me writing down all the measurements and stuff. So this is what I have to cut on the other boards, which you are about to see right now. So we are cutting the boards to fit the room, as you guys can see, trying to make sure we get all of the lines straight. Here we have the boards laid down, and now I am just interlocking the tiles. It is so easy, you guys, but I will not lie, it is a bit difficult because if you don't put the tile in at like a 20-degree angle and then press down and then hit it with the mallet, it can come undone or it'll just knock the pattern off track, which you guys would see pretty soon what I am talking about. But yeah, so just continue watching. It was fairly simple, like I said, with a few difficulties. Of course, you have to also cut pieces to fit the rest of the room if you don't have a perfectly squared room. But it wasn't so bad. It wasn't so bad after all. As you guys can see, it's very repetitive, but see here, this is what I was talking about, where sometimes you'll have to take them apart and put them back together to put them back on track. But it is simple. It is very simple. But yeah, I wanted to make my second room into a salon setting. So this is the reason why I am laying floor down. Of course, this is renter friendly. You can pull them right back up. There's nothing permanent. That's what I love about it. But there will be a part 2 in how I decorate it. So you guys stay tuned. So this is just the last minute measurings, and of course I had to change the blade, so that's why you guys see me doing that. But yeah, I had to cut some more tile by the door, and this is what I used. Just be very careful if y'all are using a saw. Right here, y'all can see I'm kind of having a little bit of difficulty, but it is okay. Just take your time and make sure y'all hit it at a 20-degree angle, push it in, and then hit it with the mallet. I cannot stress that enough. And make sure that you like kind of run your hand over it to make sure that it is smooth. Otherwise, like, it was great underneath, you could see like it blends in basically, so it kind of looks like it was okay and it was all good, but no. So here you see I am trying to measure that last little rectangle. And then I am going to have to go back and cut it and then just finish laying it, and you guys are about to see the final results. Y'all, I love it so much. Oh, I cannot wait to show y'all how I decorate it. So make sure y'all stay tuned, because a part 2 will be coming So make sure y'all have y'all post notifications on so that y'all will not miss it, okay? I want to thank y'all so very much for making it to the end of this video. I love my floor, y'all. It looks amazing. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all on my next upload. Bye.